Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about this peacock pet in Garden game of Roblox new summer camp event. Okay, this is one of the pets from the summer update, guys. And actually, it's not new pet. We can get this pet from the Paradise Egg from the summer update last year. But maybe just in case if you haven't unlocked this pet yet, you can unlock it from this summer camp event update this year. And if you want to get the peacock, you can craft the Paradise Egg first. You can go to the crafting bench here and you need to reach tier 5 in the Campfire workbench. Wait, let me go to the crafting bench. Okay, you can craft the paradise egg with this recipe. You need mythical egg, master sprinkler, gold ingot, and also 100 million shackles. And you have 30% chance to hatch this peacock from paradise egg. Okay, you need to activate the campfire, guys, by burning your plants or your fruits. And then now I'm going to place it in my garden, and let's view the ability of this pet. Oh, wait, let me pick up another pet and replace it with this peacock. Okay, every 10 minutes fans its feathers, and all active pets within 2.66 dots will advance cooldown for their abilities by 66 seconds. Oh, it can advance the cooldown. Yeah, it's not bad, but it's not that OP. Okay guys, and that's all about the peacock pet in Curry Garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.